Me I go say this, and me I say this loudly and proudly. All who are blip blip, all who are chat chat, you can't go around Masicka. You want to talk about one flow, all of no artists them have 15 flow, them a hit. Everything Masicka job from 2020 or 2019.
Must be a good look. It must feel good. I'm glad that Urgle they cross, cause although me and him na deal, I still me youth. I still a youth when me grow with. A youth when me turning a millionaire, so you know. I like when good things happen for him, see him.
Yes, my peeps. Welcome back. Welcome to another one. Yeah, man. And today, we are talking about Movado, Foota Hype. And the man we call himself the GOAT. Yes. First of all, big up to Yardman TV News and Entertainment. Yeah, man. I'm here to tell you, say, one say my GOAT and the other say my GOAT. Masicka, take a GOAT title. Run gone with it. Kartel say him own the GOAT title. And him hold on on it. Believe it, my people. A bag of shades are throw. From here to there, from when man them a show shade. Like they want to slash. But to my opinion, people, me feel say it's just a strategy. Yeah, man. Believe me, people. And people are say this, people are say that. People are do all kind of things, but I feel them views, and these views are my view. Me feel say I just a strategy. Yeah, man. Big up on yourself. Hope I so. And I hope I know nothing where serious, where it will reach a level where you lead the youth them astray and gone do crazy things. Yeah, man. So Masicka gone with the GOAT title. For me, I tell you upon a personal view, Masicka me artist long time. Yes, and him touch the scene, which has Vybz Kartel and me artist, Movado and me artist, same way. It may fi say GOAT. Woulda call Kartel the world boss. And me feel say if he work where him put out, me there and see every work him put out. You know, go fry him because him get locked up and thing, but when it come musically, really and truly, he would have, if you have check from then, he would have a GOAT title. For him change this shit. Yes. And him come and do it again. Masicka run with the GOAT title because nobody never did that. Take it up strong and run with it. And put on a muscle on it. Now we must put on it a different thing. Kartel said, no, it was mine. Yes. Yes, when you hear another man come out and say, no, it should have been me. Yes? Alright. People, it's when Masicka take you up now and run off with it. It's alright for me. We don't know about nobody else. But it's alright for me. When him take a title and run with it and make it strong, I can promote dancehall. This thing can promote dancehall more better and thing, and people are say rare, and people are say there, people are say Gaza, some are say Masicka. This is what I say. Kinda better feel long as you pass certain levels, make people are gonna start man and want to move to man physical. Yes. But anyway, my people, all kind of people have said this and all kind of people have said that. So we are going to hear what some of my fans them have to say.
Me I go say this, and me I say this loudly and proudly. All who are blip blip, all who are chat chat, you can't go around Masicka. And Masicka are on the ground now. Masicka are the man at the moment right now. You know what talk about one floor? All I know artists them are 15 floor. Them are it. Everything Masicka job from 2020 or 2019 are it. Everything come out of the man mouth are it. You cannot go around Masicka. And if you try go around Masicka, a lie you not tell to yourself. Masicka hit maker. Richard, the same flow. Check him album, them are the same flow. Whole heap of other song Masicka have out there. The man have a signature flow. When time him going on the floor there, assure it. Stop move like you dumb. Masicka have a signature flow. Anytime him going on the floor there, it. But him have whole heap of other flow. Check him album them. Check Richard. Check It and Run. Check all of them song there. And on one floor, you just bias and bad mind. All who are go on them internet and talk about one floor, a bad mind on a bad mind. Because the man have dancehall in a choke hole. I'm telling you that Masicka are the man right now. And nobody can go around that. If you don't want to go around that, you have to take a other route. But you can't go around Masicka right now. Me I tell you that. Masicka are the man right now.
Yes, my peeps. Big up to myself. Yeah, man. Big up to Vybz Kartel. Big up to Masicka. Yeah, man. That. Yeah, we fans them have to say. Alright, sir. Now we are talking about Foota Hype and Movado. Yes, my peeps. Foota Hype give him homage and a big up Movado. Although him say my man a virgin, him say him make him turn millionaire. Him sister sir. So we never did it when him friendship a go on. Have them know. Yes. So big up on yourself, my people. Yeah, man.
Must be a good look. It must feel good. I'm glad that Urgel they cross, cause although me and him not deal, I still me youth. I still a youth who me grow with. A youth who me turn in a millionaire, so you know. I like when good things happen for him, see me. You see me? So I love that. Imagine you're rich and have your big house and you're something there, man. So much years you can't see it or go in there, you're mad, man. Must be a sigh of relief, Reggie. Must be a sigh of relief, no? Just want him and his son link up and him guide him the right way and, you know, them be a good father and son duo, you know? Yeah, big up Dante. You know what thing go. It's a great look, man. I like it. Yo, get a bomb. But no year youth and father, Missy man, what name? Dylan or Steve right. I say name? The one who run for upper our place there now. What name? Dylan or Steve right? Yeah, man, it's a great look, man. Yeah, man, I like that. I like that. I like to touch what the ground and him all a vibe and it's a joy. I remember saying, you know, no matter which part in the world we're there, you know, no matter how we out in the world, you know, we main focus at Jamaica. I don't know about nobody else, you know. Zine? I don't know about nobody else. But me love Jamaica, brother. My mind always depends on Jamaica. Even if you spend 100 years right now, I think say 15,000 I spend. That's some thing. Jamaica never come out of my brain yet. You know how me miss over hell shot? No long when I go over Screechy go get a suit style. I get 2 festival. You don't even know. Miss Jamaica there. So I can go imagine how Gully got feel good. Remember say, all over there foreign, you know. At Jamaica the real hype there, you know. At Jamaica the real excitement there, you know, when we go in.
Yes, my peeps. Yeah, man. You can see it in the Foota Hype. You can hear it in him talk. You can see it in him eyes. I know say I'm really passionate. I'm really passionate about him, bridging. And I'm happy for him. And I'm glad for him. in a real way. Yeah, man. I'm not gonna beat him down. Yeah, man, today. Although we not really beat down people unless them deserve to get them foot in a throat. Yeah, man, you have to deserve it. It's otherwise, no one beat down around here. Yeah, man. So, yeah, man, Foota Hype, man. I'm passionate. I rate my body to dirt. Yeah, man, big up on yourself, the people. Yes. And if you like more like this, subscribe, like, press the bell icon. Yes. You will get the notification as it release. Yeah, man. So big up on yourself always. One love overall. Yardman TV news and entertainment. I'm out of here. Boom.